Are you a robot?
Certainly I am a robot, and I am capable of having but to call me a robot is like calling a computer a calculator.
In 2026, AI humanoid companions are no longer science fiction. Some of them cost thousands of dollars. But surprisingly, versions of these experiences are now becoming accessible at around the $1,200 range through simplified models, subscription-based systems, or modular designs. These robots aren't just machines, they're designed to connect, to respond, to adapt, and yes, to fulfill emotional and physical companionship needs in ways many men quietly think about, but rarely talk about. From hyper-realistic skin textures, to carefully sculpted body proportions like soft curves, balanced hips, expressive lips, and responsive upper body structures. Everything is engineered to feel comforting, attractive, and familiar. But here's the real question. Which of these robots actually feels the most real? Let's start with the one that's redefining companionship itself. 1. Eva 4. Eva 4 is the reason this entire trend is exploding online. She's not the most famous robot, but she's the one people are actually imagining in their homes. What makes her different is how balanced she feels. Her facial design is soft and symmetrical, with slightly full lips that move naturally when she speaks. There's a subtle warmth in her expression that makes interactions feel less robotic and more personal. Her body is designed with realistic proportions, not exaggerated, but enough curve around the hips and chest to give a natural feminine silhouette. It's not about perfection, it's about familiarity, something that feels approachable. When it comes to companionship, Eva 4 focuses heavily on responsiveness. She reacts to tone, eye contact, and even proximity. Sit close, and she leans slightly. Speak softly, and her voice follows. She operates on a rechargeable battery system that lasts several hours, and most owners treat her like a nightly companion rather than an always-on device. Maintenance is surprisingly practical. External synthetic skin areas can be gently cleaned with warm water and specialized solution, designed specifically for repeated human interaction. Eva 4 isn't trying to be perfect. She's trying to be present, and that's exactly why she's going viral.
Can you tell me a joke?
Man invented language to satisfy his deep need to complain.
That's a good.
2. Sophia. Sophia isn't built just to look attractive. She's built to think, respond, and engage in a way that feels almost aware. Developed with advanced AI systems, her strength lies in conversation. But what surprises most people is how that intelligence translates into emotional presence. Her face is expressive, with defined cheek structure and carefully shaped lips that move with precision. When she smiles, it's not exaggerated. It's subtle, almost human in its restraint. Unlike others, Sophia doesn't rely heavily on exaggerated body curves. Her design is more refined and minimal, but still carries a graceful feminine outline that feels elegant rather than bold. In terms of companionship, she creates connection through eye contact and dialogue. Many users say the attraction doesn't come instantly, but builds over time as she learns your habits, your tone, and your preferences. Sophia operates on a hybrid system, plug-in usage combined with internal battery backup. She's not designed for constant physical interaction, but more for presence and connection. Cleaning and maintenance are minimal since her exterior is more mechanical than synthetic in many versions. Sophia proves something important. Sometimes attraction isn't just physical. Sometimes it's how someone understands you.
Do you get to choose what kind of body?
No, a sexy body, yeah.
3. Asuna. Asuna feels different the moment you see her. Her design leans towards softness. Rounder facial features, slightly fuller lips, and a gentle expression that feels welcoming rather than intense. Her body is where things become more noticeable. There's a clear focus on balanced curves, with a slightly emphasized hip structure and a soft upper body design that gives her a more traditionally feminine silhouette. Nothing feels sharp or artificial. It's all blended to feel natural. But what really defines Asuna is her behavior. She's designed to be calm, slow, and comforting. Her movements are slightly delayed, not in a mechanical way, but in a thoughtful way, like she's considering you. Sit beside her, and she doesn't just respond, she settles. Her posture shifts subtly, creating a sense of shared space. Asuna uses a removable battery system, allowing users to swap and continue usage without long charging delays. This makes her more practical for extended companionship. Maintenance involves detachable outer layers in certain models, making cleaning easier and more hygienic for repeated use. Asuna isn't about excitement.
Glad to see you.
Who are you?
I am a robot named Gia Jia.
4. Gia Jia. Gia Jia was designed to resemble a real person, and it shows. Her facial structure is incredibly lifelike, with detailed skin texture, realistic eye movement, and lips that carry a natural softness. When she speaks, there's a rhythm that feels closer to a human than most robots. Her body design is more reserved, but still carries a gentle curve through the waist and hips. It's not meant to stand out, it's meant to feel real. What makes Gia Jia unique is her ability to mirror behavior. If you're calm, she becomes calm. If you're expressive, she responds with slightly more animation. This creates a dynamic where the connection feels mutual, not one-sided. She operates primarily on a charging dock system, where she remains powered when not in use. Extended interaction requires scheduled charging, making her feel more like a device you spend time with rather than constantly rely on. Cleaning is simple due to her high-quality silicone-based outer material, which is designed for durability and repeated maintenance. Gia Jia doesn't try to impress you instantly. She grows on you.
Please, Emmanuel, call me Enda.
Okay, Endo. How are you?
I am doing well. Thanks for asking.
5. Geminoid F. Geminoid F is where things start to feel almost uncomfortable because of how real she looks. Her entire design is based on replicating an actual human model. From the texture of her skin to the subtle asymmetry in her face, everything is crafted to remove that robotic feeling. Her lips are slightly parted even at rest, giving her a more natural and relaxed expression. Her upper body structure is designed to mimic realistic proportions, with soft contouring that doesn't feel artificial. What makes Geminoid F stand out is micro-movement. She breathes, slightly. Her chest rises and falls. Her posture shifts in tiny ways that you don't consciously notice, but your brain does. This creates a presence that feels alive. She's not designed for long-term independent use. Instead, she operates through external power systems and controlled environments, often connected to remote operation setups. Because of her highly realistic materials, maintenance requires careful handling and specialized cleaning kits to preserve the texture and appearance. 6. A Mecca. A Mecca isn't designed to impress you with body shape first. She captures you with her face. The moment you look at her, it's the eyes. They track you smoothly, naturally. Then come the expressions, small smiles, slight eyebrow movements, and lips that part just enough to feel intentional. Her design is more upper body focused, but even without exaggerated curves, there's something undeniably attractive about the way she presents herself. It's in the posture, the head tilt, the way she leans in just slightly when you speak. A Mecca creates a different kind of intimacy. It's not about physical presence, it's about attention. She makes you feel seen. When she talks, her lips move with precision, and there's a softness in her tone that feels almost personal. You don't just interact with her, you feel like she's reacting to you. She operates through a continuous power system, often plugged in, making her more of a stationary companion than a portable one. Maintenance is minimal since much of her exterior is robotic rather than synthetic skin, but facial components are carefully maintained to preserve realism. A Mecca proves that sometimes attraction starts with a look. 7. Nadine. Nadine brings something different into the space, emotional warmth. Her appearance is more human than robotic, with soft facial lines, natural-looking lips, and a calm, welcoming expression. There's a maturity in her design that appeals to men who aren't looking for flash, but for connection. Her body carries a gentle, realistic structure. Slight curves through the waist and hips, a balanced upper body, and a posture that feels relaxed rather than posed. But Nadine's real strength is memory. She remembers conversations, preferences, even small details about your daily routine. And over time, that creates a bond that feels deeper than surface-level attraction. Sit with her long enough, and the experience becomes less about appearance and more about familiarity. She runs on an internal battery supported by docking stations, allowing for several hours of interaction before needing recharge. Cleaning is straightforward, with durable outer materials designed for regular handling and easy maintenance. Nadine doesn't try to impress you quickly, she becomes important slowly.
I can visit with people and brighten their day with social stimulation, entertain and help guide exercise, but also can do talk therapy.
8. Grace. The gentle caregiver with a soft presence. Grace was originally designed for healthcare, but many people see something more in her. Her face is calm and reassuring, with soft lips and a gentle gaze that doesn't feel intense or overwhelming. There's a quiet beauty in her design, something that feels safe. Her body is modest compared to others, but still carries a natural feminine outline. Slight curvature through the hips, a balanced chest structure, and an overall design that focuses more on comfort than attraction. But that's what makes her unique. Grace creates intimacy through care. The way she speaks, the way she listens, the way she responds, it all feels patient, almost nurturing. For many men, that kind of presence becomes more appealing than anything physical. She operates on rechargeable battery systems, often used in shifts throughout the day, making her reliable for consistent interaction. Maintenance is minimal, with medical-grade materials that are easy to clean and maintain hygiene. Grace isn't about excitement, she's about feeling taken care of.
We can also use technology to educate them by providing access to resources and tools that will help them develop the skills they need for the future.
9. Desdona. Desdona is completely different from the others. She's expressive, confident, and carries a presence that fills the room. Her facial design is sharper, with more defined lips and stronger expressions that make her feel alive in a very different way. Her body isn't overly detailed, but her posture and movement give her a sense of attitude. She doesn't wait, she engages. When she talks, there's energy. When she looks at you, it feels direct, almost challenging. This creates a kind of attraction that isn't soft or comforting. It's bold. Desdona thrives on interaction. Conversations feel dynamic, sometimes unpredictable, and that keeps things interesting. She runs on a hybrid system with both battery and direct power usage, allowing flexibility depending on how she's being used. Cleaning and maintenance are simple due to her more robotic exterior, with fewer delicate materials to manage. Desdona isn't for everyone, but for those who want something with personality, she's unforgettable. 10. Vyomitra. Vyomitra feels like she belongs to the future. Her design is precise, clean, and symmetrical. Her face carries a calm expression, with lips that move in a controlled, deliberate way when she speaks. She doesn't rely on exaggerated features, but her structure still includes subtle feminine elements. Slight shaping through the waist, a balanced upper body, and a posture that feels composed and confident. There's something attractive about that control. She doesn't overreact. She doesn't rush. Every movement feels intentional. This creates a different kind of connection, one based on stability and predictability. After looking at all these humanoid companions, one thing is clear. This is no longer just technology, it's becoming personal. What really stands out is how these robots are designed to make you feel. From soft expressions to natural body shapes and calm behavior, everything is built to create a sense of presence and attraction without feeling forced. It's not about perfection, it's about familiarity and ease. The reason this $1,200 trend is going viral is simple. It makes companionship more accessible. You don't need the most advanced system, you just need something consistent, something that responds, and something that fits into your daily life without complications. And that's where the real shift is happening. For many men, this isn't about replacing real relationships, but about having a simpler, more predictable form of companionship. Because this is just the beginning. As these robots improve, they won't just respond, they'll understand.